What's up guys, Express here, back with another top design of the month video. If you want to join next month, make sure to join the Discord server, link is in the description. There is a top design chat where you can put your work of that specific month. So, without further ado, let's just jump in February. I picked out 5 that I really like, and yeah, we just go through them. They're not arranged in any order, and the last one is just my favorite one. So yeah, let's just start with the first one. The first one we have here is from Komi is Great, and he made an amazing SpiderMan header. I really like this kind of style. The text really fits the overall theme with Spider-Man and everything. The colors as well, has like that more orange dark color. The Spider-Man itself, it just blends in really nicely. I don't know if it's a full picture and then just some text on top of it, or he blended in some pictures, but I think he blended in so because you have some more of that foreground on the right as well. The text itself, the amazing Spider-Ben, is just really cool, fits the overall theme. I don't know, I just like the colors as well. It has like a more kind of autumn kind of feel to it. Up to next one we have Rap with his 3 more header. This is from Persona, and I really like this one. I like most of the times I don't like the added text with like Behance and Bayhip and everything. Really made it original and put it on a place which is not annoying. It just fits the overall theme and the overall kind of Persona style. And then yeah, the text itself, the 3 more text is really cool, and then the Japanese text below it is really cool with like the paper textures and everything. I don't know, I just like it. The color combination as well, the added blue has really that nice accenty color that I like, together with the red and black combination. Kind of simple, but I like what he done with it. I like the random lines as well with the blue and with the red. It fits the overall style. Yeah, okay. Up to the next one we have Xan with a Cyberpunk header. This is one of the best Cyberpunk headers I've seen in a while. I really like what he's done with it. I like the text. It's simple, but it's clean. It's a simple 3D text, but it's clean. The font itself looks like it's custom, which fits the Cyberpunk kind of theme. And then the renders that he has chosen is really blended well in each other. I really like that some of them have a color overlay, and some of them don't. And then I really like that there's some more characters on the left, like with some lines out of it. Really gives you that anime kind of theme going on here, which I like. And then also the blue and yellow really fits the overall Cyberpunk theme. And then those little dots, that's what I mean. He also put it on there for that more like comic book kind of feeling, or like that more that animation kind of feeling. Yeah, overall really like this header. I wouldn't change anything. This was almost my favorite one of this month, but I found something better. Up to the next one we have RD with his Ben header with this Evangelion one. I really like this. Is something I've seen before, but I really like what he's done with it. The 3D Evangelion text is, I like it. The Evangelion Japanese logo looks sick while it's 3D, and then just his basic Ben text on top of it, it fits. And then on the left his light leak and the renders are really nice placed. I would have maybe picked some couple of renders of some normal characters, but I really like that he just used the mecha and just put it the main focus on that. Some basic render placements and some light leaks, but I really like what he's done with the placements and done with the colors as well. So yeah, up to next one. Okay, the next one is my favorite one. It's from Ben, and he made an Elden Ring header. I wanted to make one for a while, but I kept struggling with what kind of style I want to go for, and he perfectly did that. He perfectly went the Elden Ring kind of style. He added like a nice filter gallery on top of it to have that like paint feeling. The text itself is really cool, has that Elden Ring kind of logo, but like Elden prop, and then the little logo behind it. It fits, it's cool. The colors itself has like that more the dark feeling to it, which fits the Elden Ring theme as well. It doesn't have to be complicated, doesn't have to be a lot of items into it or not. I like that he's kept it simple because it's clean. Yeah, this is my favorite one. Yeah, let me know which one you like the most, and of course don't forget to submit your designs in top designs of the month. If you have any other video ideas, let me know down in the comments. I want to do something cool, something special maybe. And yeah, I hope you stay tuned for the next video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.